Gravity, right? The invisible force that quietly controls our entire universe. It decides how you walk, how planets move, how stars are born, and even how galaxies spin. We cannot see gravity, but every second of our life depends on it. Everything begins with a simple idea: an apple falling from a tree. Why did it fall downward and not sideways or upward? Because every object with mass attracts every other object. The Earth pulls the apple, and the apple also pulls the Earth, even though we cannot feel it. This mutual attraction is gravity. Isaac Newton looked at the falling apple and asked a question no one asked before. What if the same force that pulls this apple also controls the moon? That question changed science forever. Newton discovered that gravity acts between all things, everywhere, all the time. But centuries later, Albert Einstein revealed something even deeper. He said gravity is not a pulling force. It is the bending and curving of space and time. The sun bends space around it, and the planets simply follow that curved path. We don't orbit the sun because it pulls us. We orbit because space itself is curved. Gravity is different on every planet. On the moon, gravity is so weak that astronauts move almost like they're floating. On Mars, you would feel lighter but still grounded. But on Jupiter, you wouldn't survive even for a moment. Its gravity is so powerful, it would crush you instantly. And beyond planets, the universe holds monsters of gravity, black holes. These beasts bend space to such an extreme that not even light can escape. If you got too close to one, time itself would stretch and reality would break. Closer to home, gravity keeps Earth stable. It shapes the oceans, creates tides, and holds our atmosphere in place. Without gravity, air would drift into space, water would float away, and Earth would become a dead, empty rock. Many people wonder why astronauts float in space. It isn't because there is no gravity. They float because they are in constant free fall around Earth. They are falling but missing the ground every second. Gravity builds worlds. It brings dust together to form planets. It ignites stars by squeezing hydrogen until it explodes into light. It groups billions of stars into galaxies, and those galaxies become the structure of our universe. Since the Big Bang, gravity has shaped everything we know. It determines the past, the present, and the distant future of the cosmos. Without gravity, there would be no planets, no stars, no life, nothing but endless darkness. Gravity is not just a force, it is the architect of the universe, the silent engine behind everything we are and everything we will ever discover.